Welcome to Nandideepa Apartment. I am Suresh Rao. Nandideepa Apartment was handed over by the builder in 2006. We are having 6 blocks and the total number of flats are 160. So we took over as the committee in 2020 and we had various initiatives. The topmost initiative was the rainwater harvesting. Now the details about the rainwater harvesting, the technicalities, financial part, everything will be explained by our committee members. Now,
I am Shivanand. A brief on 2020 water consumption. We have 4 bore wells. 1 is operational, 3 is not operational. We actually purchase close to 12 tankers per day, and our consumption of water is close to about 48,000 to 50,000 liters per day. And we used to actually, for flushing the toilet as well as for cleaning the floors, we use our STP water.
Hello, my name is Balraj and I'm going to talk about the infrastructure that we have in Nandideepa. We have 6 blocks and each block has its own overhead tank and the sump below. And what we are doing is every terrace water that we are getting on, it is collected through all the openings, the channels that we have, and it goes all the way to the trenches below and it connects to our well and our recharging skirts. And with this we are able to do a lot of saving. So we are giving every drop of water that we get onto our mother earth. I'm just going to show you where the trenches is. So we have everything in front here, the trenches all across in our society, and so this way we are able to save water and replenish our needs for water. Thank you.
Hi, myself Prasanna. Whatever work that you do in the society, right, the result needs to be measured in terms of numbers. So let's talk about numbers, right? So I'm going to talk about the cost, whatever money that we incurred and how much we saved. So we had been buying close to 13 to 14 tankers for the last 5-6 years, starting 2015, incurring close to 15.5 lakhs per annum, right? So for this RWH, we spent around 17 to 18 lakhs. This includes, rejuvenating our community well, which is very huge, you can see here. Plus we recharged our bore wells, and we have also cleaned our trench. We have a trench on both the sides. We cleaned our trench, and we also percolation pits we cleaned, right? We spent around 17 to 18 lakhs. Due to this massive investment, our tanker consumption has reduced from 14 to 3 straight. We reduced 80% on our tanker consumption. So other than that, as part of maintenance, we had close to a dozen PVC drums which were not in good condition. We removed everything and we constructed 3 RCC based sumps which is carrying 60k liters of water, right? We spent around 10 lakhs. We made a massive improvement in terms of infrastructure, as well as we made huge cost savings.
My name is Arun. I want to talk about the work related to RWH. As you know that we had a community well. We cleaned it and we removed roughly 6 to 7 feet of slit. And then we also had 4 percolation pit closer to the well, which was around roughly 5 to 7 feet depth. We cleaned it and we made those percolation pit up to 20 feet depth. And we are at a place which is our largest catchment area, and we are digging another percolation pit up to 20 feet, so that we don't want to let any water go outside our society. Thank you.
Hi, I am Joe Christopher. As a part of our rainwater harvesting, we have done a couple of investigation by taking the water reports, and we have checked up the quality of the water. So one is, naturally we have a natural well and we have a tankers and borewell waters. So we find that tanker waters and the borewell water, the TDS and TH was very high. And the borewell, the well water, we have a THN is less than 100 and TDS is less than 150. So we felt it is better to use the well water and do that. But the problem was we had some turbidity in that. So we went for a water treatment plant. This is a media filter, and with this filters the water and organic chemicals and other things. And this is a carbon filter which cleans carbons and other impurities. It is removes, and it is being filled through the chlorine dosage, and it is being supplied to each evergreen. The point is, this rainwater harvesting, we are trying to make use of this system in a better way, and because of this we could able to save a lot of water by using the well water. Well water, we get all the rooftop waters, everything to the well, so we clean it to the WTP, so we are using it. So this way we are making use of it in a big way. Thanks to you all, and we recommend all the society to go ahead with rainwater harvesting so that Bangalore will not face any zero day in our life. Thank you all the best.